Hola! In today's lesson, we are going to discuss the rules for masculine and feminine. In Spanish, people or things, nouns, are either masculine or feminine. That is called the gender of nouns. But the question here is, how can we tell if a noun is masculine or feminine? And the answer is by looking at the ending of the word. The last letter or letters are going to give us the clue. Let's have a look at these common endings. We will add the examples later. An O ending, it is masculine, O. An A ending is feminine. We have a few exceptions, of course, but at the moment, take it as a rule. OR ending is masculine. CIÓN and SIÓN, very similar endings, are both feminine. Dad, it is a feminine word, D-A-D, dad. And E is the tricky one. It could be either masculine or feminine. Obviously, we need more examples and more practice, so let's do it. The difference between O and A is probably the most common one in Spanish nouns, and probably the most common ending for masculine and feminine as well. If you have the word chico, a boy, and you look at the ending, you can guess there's a masculine word. But what if you want to make the feminine of this word and say girl? In English, you have two very different words, boy and girl. And in Spanish, what you do is changing just the ending of the word and have chica. Or tells us that it's a masculine word, as in the word doctor, so we know it's a male doctor. If you want to say that the doctor is female, you would say doctora. Doctora. CIÓN and SIÓN, like opción, are feminine words. Infusión is another good example of this ending. DAD ending, dad, tells us that it's a feminine word, ciudad, and chances are that the translation in English is very similar, like universidad, but ending in T, university. Feminine words, dad. This is the tricky one, E. Padre, meaning father, it is masculine, but madre, also ending in E, is feminine. It's not obvious at the beginning, but the more practice that we have, the easier it gets. But is that all? Don't we have more endings? Well, yes, we do, but the previous ones would cover for most of the endings, and all we need at this stage, to be honest. What if we have a bit of fun and practice a bit? Masculino o femenino, masculine or feminine. Arquitecto. By looking at the ending, you can guess if it's masculine or feminine. O is clearly masculine, so it's a male architect. Directora, a director. Look at the ending, A, feminine. Decisión, decision. SIÓN ending, feminine. Restaurante. The ending is E. We don't know actually. It is masculine, but there's no way to tell at this stage. Computador, OR ending, masculine. Let's continue with a bit more practice. Actividad. Again, D-A-D, dad. It is a feminine word. Planta, a plant. A ending, easy, feminine. Dirección is a CIÓN ending, so it's feminine. Amigo, friend. O ending, masculine. How do you change these into feminine? Female friend. Well, you just need to change the ending of it. Amigo, masculino. Amiga, femenino. Profesor, a teacher. Male, because the ending is or. But if you want to say female teacher, you just need to say profesora. The things to remember in this lesson are that o and or are the masculine ones. A, CIÓN, and SIÓN are the feminine. And E can be either masculine or feminine.